Hello, welcome to FemMNY. If you're new here, we'd like to welcome you and please subscribe to our channel. To all our subscribers that's always there, thank you for coming back and thank you for supporting this channel. For today's video, I will decorate this beautiful artificial flower wall arch from ubackdrop.com. The size is 8 by 8 feet. So before we start, I would like to thank you ubackdrop.com for sending this beautiful product. Please visit our website at www.ubackdrop.com and please use our code FEMBEM10 to get a 10% discount. And they also have free shipping worldwide. Now, as you can see, I already opened the box. It comes in one big box with 3 separate bundles. Look at these flowers, guys. It's beautiful and it looks so floppy and thick. This is just perfect for a wedding, for engagement party, for birthday party, or wedding anniversary, and many more. Now, I will show you up close on how detailed and how beautiful these flowers put together. It also comes in different color, and once again, you can please visit our website at www.ubackdrop.com and please use our code FEMBEM10 to get a 10% discount. So if you decided to buy this artificial flower wall arch, I also recommend you buying this flower wall black Oxford portable bag. Right there, as you can see on the screen, and this is set of 2 bags. This is just perfect for storage. If you go to the venue, you can carry your flower a lot easier. Alright, and before we go outside, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful arrangement. We will add this to our decoration. We need 11 inches or 12 inches or even 10. We need 6 pairs. You inflate this to 8 inches. I'd like to make this nice and round. Do like this. Just like that. As I said, you need 6 pairs of this. Total of 12 balloons. So now you have your duplet. Just do like that. Then the third pair. Just twist them. Fourth pair. This is the fifth. And then the last pair, which is the 6th pair. Squeeze them together. There goes your cluster balloon. Or it looks like a cloud, right? Alright, we'll put this on the side. We have our balloon stand. If you want to know where we get this, we'll put the link in the description down below. Just like that. This is total of 7 feet tall. I'm gonna use our 260 balloon, tie it right on the top. And you need your foil French curtain. You can use any other color. For this particular block, we use silver. So once you get it opened, I will just wrap this, raise this up a little bit. You need a clear tape. Just tape it right here and then wrap it around. Use another clear tape. And that's it. It stays in place. Now you can raise this up like that, but before we raise that up, we need our balloon. Now we got our balloon. Open this up, and then put the stand right in the center. And then you just lasso your balloon 260. Just like that, it's simple and it's easy to make, and I made 8 of them. Alright guys, so we're outside now. I already opened this from the box and I laid out flat so I know how to arrange them. So this is the top side of our flower wall arch backdrop. So you can really tell that this is the top part because of this thing right here. You put your backdrop holder right here, and also from ubackdrop.com. It's really nice, and I really like this one. Is packed with flowers. I'm gonna open this up. Now do the same thing on this side, same process. Now I'll do the same thing on the other side. So now we're ready to put this on here. Now you just have to tie this. And I'm gonna tie this here as well. Alright, so I'm gonna bring this up now. And there you go guys, it's up. Look at this beautiful flower here. And I see there's orchid. Ain't that beautiful? This is really nice. So now I'm gonna make it more floppy. And by the way guys, it comes with extra bags right here, extra flowers in 6 bags and some loose. So if you lose some flowers here and there, you can always exchange with this. And also you can put this on the ground, or extra decoration. Please go visit their website at www.ubackdrop.com and please use our code FEMM10 to get a 10% discount. And guess what? It's free shipping worldwide. All right, with that said, let's put the balloons. All right guys, it's time to put our balloons. So we'll put one here. And I'll put the extra piece here just to cover the block stand. And now the little piece, this one right here, since it's not that sharp, I will add this to the balloon. So with this, you can also use this, but be careful, it's so pointy. You can always bend this and wrap this with tape. Okay. And there you go guys, it's finally done. I hope you like this and learned something from this video today. If you do like this, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Before I go, thank you so much, ubackdrop.com. Once again, if you want to visit their website, please go to www.ubackdrop.com. Please use our code FEMM10 to get a 10% discount. I really like this beautiful piece. It's perfect for a wedding, any special occasion, anniversary, even birthday. All right, look at this. This piece alone is already beautiful. Plus, if you add more decoration like balloons or any other decoration, it's perfect. Perfect not just for indoor, but outdoor as well. All right, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. This is FEMM NY. Take care. Bye.